Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In the last video, we have completed air pollution, and in this video, I am going to explain water pollution. In your class 7th, you did one chapter about water, that how water is precious for all plants, animals and human beings. For variety of purposes like drinking, bathing, washing clothes, for agriculture and for industries, everywhere water is used. But nowadays, due to the increase in the population, industries and agriculture activities, water is becoming scarce these days. What do I mean by scarce? Means कमी हो रही है water की. Population बढ़ गई, industry ज़्यादा लग गई, industrial agriculture activities बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. उसके कारण क्या हुआ कि पानी की कमी हो गई. But at the same time, we know that water is becoming dirty. Why? Because of this washing clothes and bathing near the riverside. सब contaminate कर रहे हैं, हम पानी को गंदा कर रहे हैं. So, the water which is available, that is also not fit for drinking or for other purposes also, because of the presence of large number of the large number of the pollutants, you can say. Okay, so whenever harmful substances such as sewage, toxic chemicals, silt, etc., they mixed with the water becomes polluted. And these substances, all these substances like sewage, toxic chemicals, silt, etc., which pollute water, they are called water pollutants. They are called water pollutants. Okay? Like air pollutants pollute air, and water pollutants, they pollute water. We know that 3/4 of our land, that is earth, you can say, that is water, but still we don't have the clean water for drinking. Why? Because there is lot of pollution. You must have heard water everywhere, not a drop to drink. Okay, so this contamination of water, that is a very serious problem these days. And as I have told you that man himself is responsible for polluting air, in the same way man is responsible for polluting water also. You know that large number of industries like paper industries, oil refineries and so many industries, they put their waste directly into the river, into the water bodies. And so the harmful chemicals which are poured in that water bodies, that contain very harmful metals also, like arsenic, lead, they are poured in the water bodies, and that is not fit for anything, not for the agriculture, not for drinking purpose also. So industries, they pour their secretions, or you can say they pour their waste product directly into water without any treatment, then this lead to the water pollution. So industries cause chemical contamination of water. Soil is also affected by impure water. How soil is affected? You know that for the protection of the crop, we spray insecticides, pesticides, weedicides. And when rain comes, these all insecticides, pesticides, etc., they are washed away and they run into the water bodies. Also, they affect the soil. The acidity of the soil, that is affected. And then these all chemicals, they are poured directly into the water bodies. Rivers also get polluted. And these chemicals, they flourish the growth of algae. आपने देखा होगा कि पॉन्ड के ऊपर पूरा ग्रीन होता है, और ये केमिकल्स क्या करते हैं, ये एल्गी को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करते हैं. और जब ये एल्गी मर जाती है, ठीक है, व्हेन इट विल डाई, तो जो उसका वेस्ट होता है वहाँ बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ हो जाती है. एंड during this process, lot of oxygen that is used up, and so there is scarcity of oxygen for the aquatic life which is living in that water. So जो मछली और कोई भी पानी में, फ्रॉग एट्सेट्रा, जो टैडपोल वो रह रहे हैं पानी में, उन सबको भी अफेक्ट होता है ड्यू टू दिस ग्रोथ ऑफ द algae. And when the algae die, the process, for the whole process, that oxygen that is used up, and there is then scarcity of oxygen for the aquatic animals or the plants. So this soil is also affected by impure water. Now these excessive chemicals, I have told you that what effect they do to the water bodies that I have told you. Then comes the sewage, sometimes untreated sewage that is thrown into the river, that contains so many bacteria, viruses, fungi, okay, so many diseases they can be caused, like typhoid, cholera, jaundice, dysentery, amoebic dysentery, etc. They are caused when the sewage that is poured in the water bodies. In the same way, bacteria present in the feces of the mammals, that can also cause various infections. So on the whole, I have told you that these things, human activities, industries, human beings, they run, okay, they pour the waste material directly into water. स्प्रे जो पौधों को करते हैं वो मैन ही करता है. इन द सेम वे जो भी वेस्ट है, सीवेज वेस्ट, टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस, दे आर पोर्ड डायरेक्टली इनटू द वाटर बॉडीज, और सारी वाटर बॉडीज खराब हो जाती. एंड आई विल टेक अप गंगा, द केस स्टडी, जैसे हमने ताजमहल करा था, इन द सेम वे वी विल स्टडी अबाउट the river Ganga. Okay, now I will take up Ganga, the case study. Ganga is one of the most important river of our country. It supplies, it flows through various parts, northern and so many parts it covers of India. Okay, but due to the discharge of many industries, they discharge the chemicals into it and pollute river Ganga. In the same way, large quantity of garbage, untreated sewage, dead bodies and many other harmful things, they are poured into it. जाते हैं गंगा में, नहाते हैं, साबुन भी बीच में डाल दिया, ओके, और वैसे भी कोई भी अपने पूजा का सामान जो यहाँ ख़राब हो गया तो उसको पॉलीथिन में डाल के इसमें डाल देते हैं, ठीक है. और हुआ क्या, गंगा has become the world's 10 one of the 10 most endangered river in the world. Ganga is one of the 10 most endangered river in the world. इतना गंदा कर दिया human activities ने. Okay. So in the year 1985, Ganga Action Plan, it was launched by the government. Ganga Action Plan was launched in 1985 to reduce the pollution level in the river. I must tell you that part of the Ganga which flows through Kanpur, which is in UP, that is declared dead. Why dead? Because it has lot of waste, garbage, polythenes, solid waste that has collected. वहाँ पानी का flow बहुत ही कम है, बहुत कम है. Because 5,000 industries, they are there in Kanpur. They pour their discharge which contains harmful chemicals in it, and so it has become dead part. Okay. तो 85 में तो हुआ कि गंगा को में pollution कम की जाए, इसका प्लान. That was not at all successful. So in the year 2016, Government of India has launched the initiative known as National Mission to Clean Ganga, कि गंगा को साफ किया जाए, उसका सिल्ट या कुछ भी जो वेस्ट पॉलीथिन जहाँ पे भी हैं उसको साफ किया जाए. और साथ में it's our responsibility, it's the responsibility of all human beings that they shouldn't throw the waste in the river Ganga. ठीक है, हम उसको पूजते हैं तो इसलिए हमें चाहिए क्या कि we shouldn't throw the waste into river Ganga. We shouldn't pollute the water of the Ganges. Okay, so some steps they were also taken by the government कि कोई भी इंडस्ट्री अपना डिस्चार्ज तब तक नहीं रिवर में डालेगा जब तक उसको ट्रीट करके उसको हार्मलेस सब्सटेंसेस में चेंज नहीं कर देता. सो बिफोर पोरिंग द डिस्चार्ज, द वाटर or the waste or chemicals, they should be treated. In the same way, sewage, that should also be treated before pouring into the river. Okay, this will help in cleaning off the Ganges, okay, and also cleaning off or it will help in clean water in the water bodies. Okay, all the water bodies, all rivers. We shouldn't pollute the water bodies because that water we drink, and with that only so many diseases they are caused. हमें अपना तो ख्याल रखना है ना, तो उसके कारण ह्यूमन बींग्स को क्या चाहिए कि वो वेस्ट जो है वो बिल्कुल भी पानी में नहीं डाले और वाटर की पॉल्यूशन ना करें. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट इश्यूज़, एयर पॉल्यूशन एंड वाटर पॉल्यूशन. और हमें कुछ सीखना है, सबको सीखना है, और हमें हवा और पानी को गंदा नहीं करना. Now only one topic, that is about the potable water, that is left. I will take up this topic in my next video. Till then, thank you very much.